Stressed? Anxious? Today's video is going to be all about how to use the law of attraction during a difficult time in your life, whether you're stressed or anxious about losing a job or a relationship, or just battling through the economic situation in our world. What's up, YouTube? This is your girl Joanna with WillowJ.Co, and I am so thankful and grateful that you're here today. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you can help my channel to grow and see more amazing people like you. So where do you think stress and anxiety originate? Would you be surprised if I told you it's all in your mind? And then you'd argue, but Joey, this external thing happened to me, this car hit me. And while that may be the case, you have a choice on how you react to it. You see, far too often we find ourselves living in a consciousness state between grief and pride, which are very destructive energies. If you've never seen this before, this is the map of consciousness that was created by Dr. David Hawkins, who is a widely known authority in the research field of spirituality and consciousness. The numbers on the left represent frequencies. All of our emotions contain different frequency of vibration. That's why when you're around a really negative person, or you go to a place with a dark history, you may feel yourself experiencing what you would say bad vibes. A little side note here. At the root of the law of attraction is the law of vibration. The law of attraction is actually a secondary law. The law of vibration is primary. And when I say law, these are scientific laws, like the law of gravity. They are all real and they have all been proven scientifically. The law of vibration states that every single thing that exists is pure energy and pure light and vibrates at its own specific frequency. The earth has its own vibration, your car has its own vibration, and you have your own vibration. Now, it's not your fault per se if you find yourself residing in a destructive energy place. Society has groomed us since we were children. 95% of the news is negative, and there's a reason for that. It gets them ratings. It's just a business for them, but it really deteriorates our society's well-being. And it really saddens me to see an adult scold a child for being silly, for being who they are, saying, be more serious. And I say, no. We should be like the children. It even says that in the Bible. Be like a child. Be silly, be happy, be humble, be gracious. Be like a child. Get your spirit, your soul there. Children really are the best teachers because they teach us what we've long forgotten. They teach us who we are at a soul level. So the first step is to actively treat your stress and anxiety. Step 1, identify the source of your stress. Say no to the negativity that you may have in your life. If you have a job or a partner in your life that you feel doesn't respect you, you need to take a step back and respect yourself. You matter, and what you feel matters. At the end of the day, you are all that you've got. And if you don't respect yourself, no one else is going to respect you. Or another situation is maybe you have a friend in your life that has a lot of drama revolving around them, and you find yourself going down to their level. You may find yourself gossiping and being judgmental of others and just really becoming a victim to all kinds of circumstances. You need to realize that this situation and this friendship is no longer serving you or your best interests. So step 2, the next thing you want to do is to focus on what you do want. Tell your boss, your partner, your friend that you feel that you deserve to be treated better. Now, this isn't intended to hurt people's feelings. This is all about putting yourself first and your well-being first. You must always put yourself first. And this isn't coming from a position of being greedily selfish. You can't pour from an empty cup. Let me put it that way. You know, as a woman, we habitually put other people's needs before our own. And what happens then is we burn out and we become a bitchy victim. And nobody wants that. And it becomes this vicious cycle of destructive energy. We all need to be mindful on a daily basis of how we're feeling and how we can strive to feel better. Take time for yourself every single day, whether that means getting up earlier in the morning before everyone else or going out at lunchtime for a walk. One of my favorite things to do every morning, 5 to 10 minutes, just meditate. Focus on your breathing. It's so good for you. Another thing you can do is, go for a ride in the car and blast your favorite music. I don't know about you, but that makes me feel pretty good. So, and a third step is visualize a better situation for yourself. Remember that what you focus on expands, and the more that you can focus on better thoughts, the better your situation will become. Now, don't get frustrated with yourself for having negative thoughts. After all, you are human. Just do your best, acknowledge the thoughts and the feelings that come with them, and climb the ladder to better feelings and thoughts. After all, this is a process to change your limiting beliefs. So be gentle with yourself and trust that the process is changing for the better. So to sum things up, guys, the moment that you're able to change your mindset is when your stress and your anxiety will decrease. Don't settle in your life. Don't let anybody hold you back. If you're not trying to better and grow yourself, you're going to remain in low vibration. And years from now, you're going to find yourself full of regrets, aka 75 hertz. That's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for coming by. If you enjoyed my video, go ahead and smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share with your friends. And come say hi to me on Instagram and Facebook, where I post daily. So much love, good vibes, and remember, choose to be happy. Peace. Economic Durntown. And forgive the sun is blinding me. Beef. Change your limiting beef.